I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace when I saw something in the background of a canoe listing photo. It looked to me like a mid-century modern Drexel sideboard, so naturally I messaged the seller to see if I could buy it, and I had it home within an hour. I paid $50, but boy was it in rough shape, and it was disgustingly dirty. I used Puracy Everyday Surface Cleaner Concentrate to scrub down every inch of this piece. It's an all-natural, eco-friendly, and sustainable option, which is what we're all about over here. I then sanded off the old finish with 120 grit and worked my way up to 180. Thankfully, the finish came off very easily, so it wasn't as time-consuming as I had anticipated. I fixed any floppy veneer with some wood glue and painter's tape, and then it was time to address all of the massive chunks missing from this piece. I used a ton of epoxy putty to fill in the chips and rebuild both the missing veneer on the edge and the side of this piece. Once it finally dried, I sanded it all down smooth and shaped the rebuilt edge. And for a stain, I used a wipe-on medium brown walnut color. Then it was time for the tough part, blending in all of these repairs. I used my wax crayons and blended until my fingers went numb. It took me a very long time, and to be honest, it's still not perfect, but I did my best, and that's all that counts, right? Once I was finished, I sealed it all up with several coats of a semi-gloss lacquer. Now here's the before and here's the after. This one was definitely a fixer-upper. But with a good clean using Puracy products and a lot of veneer repair, it's ready for a new home. Now the question is, how much do I list it for? They typically sell upwards of $2,000, so let me know in the comments what you think I should list it for.